If you're a beginner and wanting to make a lot of money in the market, the one thing which you should really understand about is earnings. Earnings drive stocks. The earnings news is a big catalyst for a stock moves. If you study stock moves over the years, you will see that many of the stock moves start on the day of earnings. And earnings have a very good impact on stocks for a longer term, sometimes shorter term for a day's move. So trying to understand the impact of earnings news on stock is extremely critical because you can build methods around that. And it is a proven anomaly that stocks which are positive earning surprise tends to go up in the direction of earning surprise, and stocks which are negative earning surprise tend to go down. So this is called as SU or PITS. In an academic term, it is called as post earning announcement drift. And if you can understand and get into details of understanding post earning announcement drift, you will find a methodology or a way to make money using earnings. Earnings is always going to be the biggest mover of stock prices, and sooner you understand that and more time you spend in understanding that and perfecting that, uh, likelihood of you becoming more profitable is going to be much higher.